this video, we are going to show you how to use a new feature in Funding Institutional called Awards Analytics. First, go to fundinginstitutional.com and sign in with your Elsevier single sign-on credentials, which brings you to the home page. Beneath the main search field in the center of the page, there are 3 panels. Click the Analyze Award Data link in the middle panel to view hidden details in the research funding landscape. For instance, you will see graphs and charts that depict analytics from your search results based on a variety of criteria, such as the number of awards allocated over the years, including average amounts, research disciplines, funder types, funders, recipient countries and territories, and funding types. The graphs are interactive, thus allowing you to click on a data point and go directly into the list where the source is located. They also help you discover which funders are particularly active in your research discipline. From the award search results list, you can perform an additional search, an advanced search, and you can filter by search facets on the left panel. Alternatively, you can also perform a search from the main search field in the center of the home page, which allows you to quickly search for opportunities, awards, or funders. Enter keywords into the search field and then select the Awards radio button. Next, click the search icon or the Enter key on your keyboard. A list of search results appears on the right panel of the search page. At the top of the page, click Analyze Search Results. The graphs and charts that depict analytics for your search results are displayed.